Hello guys, so today I'm gonna be doing the trade outlook for the week, what we should be expecting for this coming week, right? So first of all, we're looking at three pairs. The first pair is odd card, the second pair is Euro GBP, and the third pair is NZD card, right? So let's get down to it. First of all, on odd card, which we're currently looking at, so you can see that here, Australian dollar to Canadian dollar, right? So you can see that right now price has broken past this resistance level, right? I know what it is now. Whenever price breaks above a resistance level, we literally come back to turn the resistance level towards support, right? And literally, if you look at the chart historically, you see that whenever price moves from this level, which is at 0.86700, and finally comes to this point here and breaks past this resistance level, we always come back to turn it to support to head to the next resistance level. So we always, whenever price moves from 86700 and we break past this resistance level, this is what price literally does. So let me just show you guys like two examples where price did that. So this video will just be short. So you can see from this level here, right, from this level here, you can see this was 86700. You can see how price impulsively went ahead to break past this resistance level here. And what happened? You see how price came back, turned the resistance level towards support, and made its way back to the next resistance level, right? This historically, right? And you can also see that also here. Just one more example. And after this one more example, you can go back to your own chart and then confirm what I'm saying, right? You can see that also here. You can see that when price moved from this level, which was at 86700, right, this dash line, right, price moved impulsively, broke past this resistance level here, right? And you can see where price came back with this red candle here, came back to turn that resistance towards support. And then what happened? We immediately pushed higher, traded within this region to hit the next resistance level. And so that is what we're expecting at this point here. Yes, you can see that price moved from 86700. We came here, forged more resistance, and then we impulsively broke above that resistance. So now price has literally come back to turn that resistance towards support to head to the next resistance level. So there's a lot of liquidity here. Look, and you can see the liquidity equal high liquidity. So let me just draw the line right there. So you can see that that's liquidity. So price has a lot of liquidity to take and also a lot of imbalance to fill, right? A lot of liquidity to take, even more imbalance up here to fill. So you can see the imbalance right there. So that's what we're looking at. So we're looking at price to literally come back to test this region here, which is at 89200, 0.89200. And then we also have more retest at 8900, that is 0.89,000. So we have that retest there. And we also have a zone where we're waiting for price to retest, which is at 0.89200, right? So when price comes down to that zone, we'll go down to our lower time frame, wait for lower time frame entry, enter our trade, and we would shoot to the highs here, these highs here. This will be our first level targets, the highs, and then the second level targets will be this level here, which is at 9192920, 0.91920. So that's this for odd card. Then the next pair is Euro GBP. Right, that's the next pair, the Euro GBP. And on Euro GBP, it's very simple. You guys know me already. It's just simply break out of support or resistance, then retest and fly. Right, and you can see on Euro GBP. So what are we looking at? We're just looking at price. This part here where price broke below this support level, right? So price came out of the support level, did like wanted to break out, and then immediately broke below it. So we broke the support level, and you guys know that whenever price breaks support, it literally comes back to turn that support towards resistance to head to the next support level. So just very simple, right? We're literally waiting for price to retrace back to this point here, which is at 0.87 thousand, right? You can see that there, 0.87 thousand. So we're waiting for price to retest this level here, and then we'll go to our lower time frame and take our lower time frame entry to short this to the downside, right? To take it to the downside, to sell the trade to the downside. So that's it for Euro GBP. Just very simple. Then the last pair is NZD card, and that will be the last pair we'll be looking at today. So an NZD card is very simple. This one itself has set itself up already for a buy, right? So you can see how price impulsively broke past this support, this resistance level here. You see how price possibly broke past it, and now when we broke past it, we came back to retest it, right? And we have come back to retest it again, right? So this is like a support level, and we're waiting for our buys above here. So if we go down to like a lower time frame of 4 hours, you see our buy position there. So you can see that here we already retested this level here. So now we're waiting for an engulfing candle to engulf, trigger us in, retrace back, and then we'd head to clean this liquidity, this equal high liquidity here. Yeah, so also fill up some imbalance too. And this is literally what we're looking at on NZD card, right? So just very simple. We've waited for the breakouts of the resistance. We've waited to retest the resistance to turn it to support. We've waited for the impulsive move out, and it has come back to retest the second time. And now we're waiting for an engulfing candle to like push out of this point here, trigger us in, and then retest this zone and head off to clean this liquidity here, right? And by so doing, we'll make so much money as it keeps going to clean out the liquidity. So that's it, guys. That's literally what we're looking at on these 3 pairs. Catch you guys later, and keep being the best trader that you are. Bye for now.